This video will introduce you into loading your software for your device. Please open under the Robolopes Boe-Bot folder, the Websites and Downloads document. Under this document, you can see the main page for the Boe-Bot robot from Parallax. If you go to the Download PBASIC website, you will then see the basic stamp software that you can download for your device. If you have a Windows computer, you would then click on this link. If you are using a Chromebook or simply using Chrome in any device, you can click on this link. Or if you are using a Macintosh based computer, you can click on this link. Now, back in the drive, we have the basic stamped editor software for Windows already here, or the Macintosh version as well. Now, if you have a Chromebook, what you can do is either click on the link for Parallax IDE for Chrome, or you can click on the Chrome link here. And then what you will do is you will click on this link and then click on download, which was this blue button here. Since I already have this installed, you can click on launch app from here, or if you have it installed, you can go to the page called Chrome / apps, and it should show Parallax IDE software here. In a Windows computer, you should not see um, the program start right away. It may give you a warning. But in a Chromebook, you should see that just pop up anyway. Now, in the program, let me show you kind of the basics of what's going on here. On the left side of the screen are your folder projects. If you have an examples area, you may see a bunch of different types of example programs already loaded in the computer. Now, to start your own project, you would click on the plus button and then start on New File. Now, if you are going to save your file, you click on Save File. If you are going to delete a file, you click on Delete File. The download button is how you would send the program to your Boe-Bot basic chip. Once you are showing the Stamp BS2 and PBASIC 2.5, you are ready to start.